Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are fit and fine and doing very well. So here I'm back again with a new topic. Firstly, we will analyze Banknifty on all the time frames and learn about it. And then we will analyze few stocks from the Nifty 50 as well today. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see, we are on a monthly time frame. So we are on a monthly time frame, and the monthly time frame candle is still green for us, which is a good sign. So it has retraced from this level, which you can see that it has been in the support level. Okay, so this is a strong support, and from here if we get to see that the market starts moving above this level, so we can expect this to be a positive thing for us. Right now things are looking bullish as of now, so let's analyze on a daily time frame or a weekly time frame first. So on a weekly time frame is mostly sideways. As we can see, we are stuck in a range. This is a range which is there. Okay, so we are in this range and the market is still there. So we should expect the market to cross 22,329, so that we can expect some up move from here. So nothing much change in the weekly time frame. So let's analyze our daily time frame. Daily's time frame is looking very bullish. You can notice here the market consolidated, right? And this was a very positive closing on this day, and the next candle was super bullish. So this happened on a Thursday, which nobody expected. We were expecting a narrow candle, but this happened on a Thursday, and now on a Friday it opened here and it closed in green. So now the next level to watch out is this level, which we have already drawn. So this level has to be cleared. If this candles open above, then we can expect that yes, the market trend is changed. See, we have mapped this level and we are expecting the market to move up. So let me see, where is our 20 period. 200 is okay. Moving average 200. Okay. So this is our 200 period moving average. So this is fine. Okay, so volume is also increasing. If you notice the volume here, so it has been increasing. 3 green candles, you can see. So it's a very positive sign. If tomorrow we can expect, after like 3 green candles, we can expect a small pullback here with a narrow range candle like this in the volume, and then we can expect it to go above this. Okay, forgive me for drawing skills. I am really not getting used to this drawing with the mouse. Okay, so let's analyze this on a 15-minute time frame. So if you are doing an intraday trade, always watch for daily, 15 and 5. Those are 3 time frames you should watch. Let's mark one more level here. In a 15-minute time frame, we can see this is one level. Okay, as you can see, all these are base candles from here till here. How many base candles can you see? 50%, less than 50% body, less than 50% body, less than 50% body. Even this is less than 50%. So all these are base candles, and this is a strong zone in which market is there. So it has to clear this zone, and only then it can start moving up. But right now it looks very bullish. On a 15-minute time frame, if you have noticed, this is our entry, this is our setup where this high was crossed. You could have got an entry. And also, if you notice this candle, what was the open and low? On the left side you can see open was 21113.85, low was 21113.85. so whenever you get a candle like this, open is equal to low, you should go bullish on this. It will definitely give you a lot of money. Okay, and but this has to be near the support levels. Always trade near the support levels. So what is our strategy? We look for a 20 period moving average which is moving upwards, so which is also a positive sign, and we look for an entries like this where it bounces from moving average and this high is taken out. So that is your entry. Even this is your entry. If you have missed your entry there, even this high was taken out, that is your entry. Okay, then after this, nowhere it came close to the moving average, only you got an entry here. So this was a very strong trend. Usually in very strong trend you should apply a 8 period moving average. It will be like this. So you can take an entry whenever it comes close to this 8 period moving average. Okay, so now let's analyze this on a 5-minute time frame and see what kind of entries we could have got. So where is our days separator? This was one failure on a 15-minute. This is a fake setup. Okay, so then we were on a 5-minute time frame. Okay, so let's get started here. So on a 2-minute, on a 5-minute time frame, you got an entry here. Okay, this was your stop loss. Price came till close, but it moved away from there. So the reward was still here till the time your candle was not broken out. So this was your exit. Okay, so this was your exit, and this was also your short entry. If you see topping tail bar with a volume spike, this is your short entry, and the price never came till this level. It came down till here nicely, but you have to wait for this consolidation to break down. Usually if this topping tail bar would have been violated, the price would have gone really high. If you notice from this level, it has stayed in this zone, so it went sideways. So market usually makes a trend and then starts moving in sideways for the rest of the day. If it starts moving sideways in the beginning of the day, then it makes the trend the second after, and then it will start moving like this. Okay, so that's how mostly you can understand the psychology of the traders, best traders who are doing this, big financial institutions. So they play the game initially and then they leave it, and then after that they come back and bring the trend down majorly, and then they consolidate. So their job is to actually cheat the retail traders, and they find all kinds of tricks in the book to cheat you. So you have to be careful on that, and you have to see, but there are certain patterns which get formed, which you can easily identify, and if you trade only those patterns, you will be always safe and in profitable. So I've shared my profits also this week. You can have in the community tab, you can see that I've posted my profits recently. So keep watching this. Okay, Now let's get back to our Nifty 50 stocks and analyze if we find anything good on a daily time frame. Oh, Adani Ports is sideways, but it is giving a bullish entry, but you have to look out for this level. So I think I have to change the color here. This level has to be clear. Asian Paints is sideways. Axis Bank is what we have checked. Then Bajaj Auto is giving you a short entry, but you have to do it after this yellow line. If it breaks this yellow line, which is our 40 period moving average. Bajaj Finance, very bullish, it has cleared the zone, so you can go for it. And the candle is also open is equal to low. So this is very good, you can go for long term investment. Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finance, both are in the same pattern. Bharti Airtel is also looking good. We should look out for the opening. BPCL is sideways. When I'm looking, just keep watching the candlestick patterns and this moving averages and also the volume below it, so that you'll be able to understand. Cipla, Britannia nothing. Cipla giving a short entry, but it is entering the support zone. So the rule is simple, it has to be above this 20 period moving average, and if it is in between 20 and 40, we have to avoid the trade. It has to break the 40 period moving average so that we can get a short entry. Coal India, no entry. Dr. Idris, no entry. Sideways, you can see there is an overhead slab which is 200 period moving average. Gale, again an overhead moving average. Even if you buy this, 112 will be your target, and after that it's going to reverse. Grasim, again same situation. HCL Tech is looking good. You can see if this red candle is taken out on Monday, then you can go for long on this. HDFC Bank is going up, but 2074 is a strong resistance. Same, this is the resistance, but bullish. It has to clear this level first. Hero MotoCorp is looking bullish, but it has to clear this level. Look at this powerful green candle from the 20 period moving average, and then the stock is holding here, so it is going to definitely move up, and this is above 200 period moving average. Hindalco, you can say sideways uptrend, but 171 is the resistance. Hindustan Unilever not going anywhere. ICICI Bank is looking bullish. If you have noticed, all the banks, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, IndusInd Bank, and even Bajaj Finserv, they are all looking bullish. So Banknifty will also be bullish. IndusInd Bank sideways. Infratel is also sideways. The idea is to catch the stock which is in uptrend and find bullish entry on a lower time frame. So here again you have an overhead here, and it has to clear a lot of resistance. ITC, you can get a short entry if it crosses this low. JSW Steel is looking bullish, but it has to clear this level for continuing till 226. Kotak Bank has given a good pattern here. It's a nice engulfing pattern. And okay guys, that's it for this week. We have analyzed stocks and also Bank Nifty. So thank you for subscribing to my channel and checking on my videos. I'm taking time regularly to keep you guys posted on whatever I'm doing, even if I'm making profits, which I'm posting these days. So let's see how the market is going to be next week. It looks mostly bullish. So I think we should find an entries of bullish entries. And next week I'm also planning to share you some thoughts on how to create scanner on charting. So we will work on that and let's see how it works out for us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.